Hi guys, welcome back to Scratch How To. Today we're gonna be making a Scratch project, but AI is going to decide. So we're gonna ask ChatGPT. I know I haven't been posting for a very long time, but I'm hoping to be posting around every Friday now. So be sure to check out the channel as I'm gonna be very active now. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So, let's first ask ChatGPT, what should we make? Give me some ideas for a Scratch project. I can't spell. Scratch project. Right. Okay. It's a lot of ideas. Finally. So, it's a lot of ideas. But the one that interests me is maze game. Because this shouldn't be too hard, but it's also going to be fun. But, like, who wants to do math? We're making games, not math. So, let's go and make a maze game. So, go onto scratch.mit.edu and click create. Sign in if you'd like to, but I'm going to just create. So, let's just close that and. Right, so first of all, we actually gotta have a maze. Like, it's just a white background. So let's choose a backdrop. Let's see, does Scratch have a maze? No. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, so I guess that means we'll have to find a picture on the internet. So, there's this website called Pixabay. And it's completely free images to use anywhere. So let's go on it and search for maze. Let's right. Okay. So these are some very complicated mazes. This is something interesting. This is simple. Let's go with this one for now. It's very simple. You can choose any image you really want to, but I'm just gonna download this real quick and download complete. So let's go back to Scratch and go to backdrops and upload backdrop. Click that and boom. Perfect. So now let's take our cat here, and this cat will have to go like this through here and escape. Okay, it's not really much of a maze, but let's just call it a puzzle. Anyways, so let's get the cat to move, because right now if I press anything, no movement. So now let's go to events and get when green flag clicked, get control forever, and get if. So this is the thing, we'll have to do key space pressed in there, then get operators, then get not. Also, yeah, if space pressed, and then another one of this to put in there, and then you get back to control and get a repeat until. So basically, let's explain what's going on. So if I press space, then it's gonna keep doing whatever's in here. Let's just do move 10 steps. Then it's gonna keep doing it until I've took my finger off space. So I'll just click this and let's see. So I'm holding down space, but when I stop, it instantly stops. But if I was to do without that, then this is what would happen. I'd have to click 1,000,000,000 times. And that's no fun. So we're just gonna do it with this. And also get rid of move 10 steps. So we've got to make our cat actually fit in the maze as well. So let's just change the size here to 50. Ah, perfect. This little guy is gonna fit. You can choose any character you want from Sprite tab, but I'm going with the cat. So now we're gonna change this to arrow keys. Yeah, let's do right arrow key, change this to right arrow key, and also let's duplicate this 4 times for all the arrow keys. Oh, there we go. Now switch that off, and now we have 4. So let's change them all to different one real quick. Boom, done. Now we gotta actually put movement. So we're gonna use change x by 10. Well, let's actually change that to 1 to make it really slow. But there's not really a lot of space, so we're gonna make it really slow. And then change x by 10 here as well. Change it to -1. So left is the opposite way. Then you do y for up. Since this is 2D, you only have 2 x and y, no z, since it's not 3D. So it's simple. So 1, and then change y by -1. So far, if I click the green flag, this is what's happening. Very slow. I guess so. You can only press 1 arrow key at a time, which is sad. But I guess we'll just deal with it. I guess it's not really the best for circles, but let's just change it up to 3. Yeah, 3 should be good. Not too fast, not too slow. Right. 3. So let's see. Ah, perfect. Not too fast. Now let's also make our character a little bit smaller, like 40. So he actually fits in the maze. And now let's add a little bit of challenge. You're not allowed to touch the maze. Hard, isn't it? You can make your character even smaller, like 35, so it's easier. I'm gonna leave it at 35. And now we go to events when green flag clicked, then get another forever, then do if, and then do sensing touching color. And now we've got to make the color black. So click this, and boom, it's black. Then we also go to motion. Then we have to go to these. Let's go to the start of the maze. You can put the start of the maze in here and over here, your choice, but I'm putting it here, and I'm gonna go to X and Y here. Perfect. And in order to actually start the maze at the start, we're gonna put that there as well. So now, so far, if we move and touch the maze, boom, teleportation right back. Now you can't cheese the maze and go through, which is kind of pointless then. Yeah. Right, it's kind of hard with the arrow keys. Like, I can't even get through. Yeah, see? So, we could make it even more smaller. Let's make it 30. Right, can we do it? Oh, nah. So, we're gonna actually add it so it turns, because otherwise you kind of can't do a circle. So, stop. And then we get these, turn. So, if you're turning to the right, you turn by 15 degrees, turn left, up and down no point really. Ooh. If you want, you could have point towards mouse pointer. So let's just put it in the forever block here as well, because why not? So now it's always facing your mouse. And you have to do it like that. If you want, you can do it like that. Choice is yours. But I guess this is interesting. This is gonna be hard. Right. So, let's make a cat 20. Oh my god. Now it shouldn't be too hard. Let's see. You can choose whatever size you want, but I think 20's good-ish. Okay, there's no way I can do the maze. This is hard. It's gonna take time to do the maze. But anyways, this is the point. And now our objective is to get here. After years of effort, I don't know how I'm gonna get there. But let's just say we managed to reach there. So let's go into sprite thing and then click paint. So basically a square. It does not matter how it looks at all because it's gonna be invisible. I know it looks big, but that's the point of this size thing. Just make it 10 and move it all the way here. And invisible. So now let's go back to events in sprite 1, aka the cat. Why not name him cat? Then get another when green flag clicked. Then get forever block again. Then get if, and then get touching, not, and then change it from mouse pointer to sprite 2, which is this. So now if I magically just teleport over there. Oh, wait, it's gonna teleport me back. No! I'm gonna teleport this dude right over here. So, now if I touch it, well, nothing's gonna happen, is it? Now, but if we put something in here, like say, yo, I won. We can do anything. Or score. Let's make a variable. Score. And then set my variable to, well, set score to, I don't know, way too much. Whatever you want. But that's how you can basically win. Or, third idea, we go into backdrops and paint one. And then put text and write something like, you have won. Congrats. And I just don't know why I have purple, but whatever color, you can do something like that as well. And then make it absolutely massive so it covers the whole screen. If you want, you can make a new one and do you lost, game over, or whatever. And then, in order to implement that, you could go to code of cat. And then when touching color, instead of this, you could do switch backdrop to the losing one. But now we're going to switch backdrop to backdrop 3. Or backdrop 2, I guess. And then, in order to start the game on the maze, when green flag clicked, we're going to put switch backdrop to backdrop, well, labyrinth. And now it's going to be like this. Then if I was to just magically finish it by pure luck. Why is it not working? The sprite's here, right? Yep, I'm touching it. Ah, so I guess it doesn't work if it's invisible. Interesting. So we just make it so if it's visible, then I teleport. Then I touch it. You have one. Perfect. So it's got to be visible. Fill with nothing. Outline is, well, something. Then I make it smaller. Now where is it? Can you even see it? Oh wait, back. I kinda can't see it. Right, size 10. Oh, no one can see it. Oh, there it is. So hard to see. It's just thicking it up a little. Boom. Now, if I was to draw another square, thick square. Let's just delete select, delete, and then delete that, and delete that. Perfect. So now, if we start the game, finish the maze by pure magic, and touch this. Oh, it's black. Ah. Change the color real quick to red. Boom. Change this color to red. Now it actually is gonna work, hopefully. And by pure magic. Yeah, we win! Let's go! Get rid of the score variable. So, perfect. This is how you make a maze in Scratch. You can obviously customize it as well. And anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. See you next week.